and welcome to this Tech and Trains channel video, and in this video I will be showing you how to convert one of these Ringfield locomotives, this one is a class 43 Intercity 125 by Hornby, to LED lighting. So the first step is to remove the bulb from the front of the train if you had one already. If you don't have this bulb, don't worry, we're just going to use the original bulb for interior lighting at the back of the power car. Right, so the second thing you need to do is you need to take off all of these that connect the bulb to the circuit in the train. All you need to keep is the power connector on the end so that you can just plug it in to the bogie. One power connector from there, and the other one doesn't want to come out, so I'm going to just trim this wire down and that will be your other power wire. The wire has been trimmed and you can stick or solder another wire to the end of this, and that will be your other polarity connection to your circuit. So I've got my wire soldered onto my other connector, and this slots just down there. See, just down there, just goes in onto the Ringfield motor, and that is your other polarity. So here are your two wires. These will be the two polarities for your circuit. These will be, one of these will be plus, one of these will be minus, and then when you switch it around on the controller, it will change, and hopefully if you wired up the lighting correctly it will change as well. Now it is time to start with your LEDs. I'm using dual colour or bi-colour, whatever you want to call them, LEDs from DCC Concepts, and these are bi-colour LEDs, white, red, supplied with resistors. Here's the packet if you need any future reference. Use this LED RW3 6 times red, etc, etc. Fortunately, the instructions supplied in the pack don't show you what all of these legs are. So the middle one is the positive middle leg, and the other legs are the negatives, and those will determine the colour depending on which one is on. The circuit diagram for this conversion, you will also need two diodes, which I'll get to later. So you have the two wires coming in from the track, and this bit, these two LEDs are just what the bi-colour LED would look like on a just simplified. So you have the two diodes there. Oh, that should be correct drawing for LED, but never mind. So you have the diodes here, you have your resistor there on the positive, and that's that really. So now that we've got our LED and our resistor, we just want to give it a test on a 9-volt battery. We're going to remove the resistor and put it along from here afterwards, so don't solder the resistor straight to the LED, otherwise it will be a pain, because you don't want the resistor right at the front of the train, because it will just clog up the electrics when there's not that much space. So we'll put the resistor somewhere else. Installed is working as I tested it. The right leg is red and the left leg is white. Right, so now the LED is soldered to wires and everything is in place. I'm just going to take it out quickly just to show you. You can see the LED, all the wires coming off it, and the resistor stuck on the end. So we're shortly going to add the diodes to the circuit as per the diagram. These are the diodes, that's the LED. So now we have the diode soldered onto the circuit, as you can see here, conforming to the diagram, circuit diagram, that one at the top. So you can see the power comes in there, and you can just see where all the stuff is. So all we need to do now is we need to attach it to power, and then we can use the other bulb as interior lighting, and then we're done, and I'll get it up in the loft and show you it running. But first we'll attach the power. Just been up and tested it to make sure I got the light the right way around, so that it wasn't going one way and the light showing the other way, which would have been annoying. So I've got it wired up, and I'll just get some solder on it and should be finished soon, hopefully. Right, so everything is now soldered into place. The LED lighting at the front looks good, and the interior light, or the original bulb, has been used for interior lighting. The train is running around, so doesn't have the body shell on, it just has the right front white light, and it has the interior lighting. And I'll just bring it round to stop over to my left, just by the signal gantry. And then I can reverse it. Excellent. So all is done. I've united it back with the rest of the train and the body shell. So let's see it running. Just get. Oh, I think it might need a tap. Sorry for the delay, the glue from the ballast had shorted out the track. So let's just get this train running. So it looks really good now. And that is the end of the video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.